Fassa, the woman of knowledge, is one of Irish folklore's most enduring figures. Known for healing both physical and spiritual wounds, she served as a bridge between the human world and the other world, tending to ailments rooted in disharmony with the ace she, otherwise known as the fairies. From a Jungian depth psychology perspective, she reflects the wise woman archetype, the inner mediator who helps transform fragmentation into integration, embodying intuition and renewal. She appears in times of transition or wounding, urging us to follow the quiet inner voice that restores balance and wholeness. This course is designed to evoke and stir the senses and imagination, to support you to step into your own authentic life, towards wholeness and authenticity, honouring not just yourself, but the ancestors.